Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and fantastic day. So welcome back to the #1 channel on YouTube. I hope you guys are all killing it, having a good one here. Now we do have a very special episode here today. Now before we jump into the episode, I need you to do me a couple of favors. Now the very first thing I need you to do is go down and smash that like button. Right now we are doing a Xbox One giveaway. Now how you enter, it's super simple. All you have to do, subscribe, like, and then like my Facebook page, Carter Farr. And then if you want, you can comment on the video. Now in today's episode, we're gonna be talking about the Mother Trucking Cash App. Now, Cash App has recently announced that you can now buy and sell and trade stocks on their platform. So before, Cash App was a very similar thing to Venmo, where you could send money instantaneous and you could send money to friends, family, and it comes out instantly and you just pay a small fee for it. But Cash App now wanted to kind of stand out just from being able to send money. They wanted to be able to invest your money. So you could before invest your money in Bitcoin on the platform, but who buys Bitcoin anymore? It's not 2017. And people realize that that's kind of like not the best way to make money and invest your money the smart way. So they announced that you can now buy and sell stock on their platform. What's going to stand out from Cash App to all of the hundreds of brokers out there? Well, it's very simple. You can buy stock instantaneously. So before, when you buy a stock and you deposit money onto your broker, it will take anywhere from 2 to 3 business days. Now, since the Cash App is instantaneous, that money comes out and it instantly, you can buy shares with stuff. You can instantly buy shares of companies with it. Now, if that's say you can't afford the whole stock price, what they have is called partial shares. So what it is, if that's say you can only invest $5 or $10 into the stock, you can do that. There's no minimum. I think the minimum might be $1 or something like that. And obviously you don't pay any commissions, because who pays commissions anymore? And if you are paying commissions, stop paying commissions. Go to another broker. You can transfer your money within 3 days to pretty much any other broker, because I transferred my account from Vanguard to TD Ameritrade. But now let's go look at the Cash App on the mobile device and see how well it looks and how well it performs. So just with a fresh start looking at it, it's very similar to almost like a Robinhood type thing. Very simple, not overwhelming, and it makes it super simple to be able to buy stock. So let's go in and maybe buy like $1 or $2 worth of a company. So as we kind of scroll down here, we can kind of like see our watch list. So this might be like where you keep stocks that you are looking at, stocks that you see some sort of growth in, and stocks that you eventually want to buy. Pretty much where you can keep, pretty much what you put in your watch list. So it says keep track of all your favorite companies and start with these popular stocks, or create a list of your own. So let's click on Coca-Cola here, and it looks like to put it on your watch list, all you have to do is click follow, and then once you click follow, you can click unfollow and do whatever you guys want to do. As we continue to look at it here, let's look at the chart. So obviously these are line charts, they're not candlestick charts, just because it's a cheaper look. They didn't want to make it too overbearing with a ton of information here. So the weekly, monthly, yearly, and then the all time. So as you guys can see, if you would have invested money into Coca-Cola, you'd be very, very rich. But as we continue to scroll down here, the next thing we have is the About button. So this is pretty much showing you what the company's all about, what they have, and everything like that. So scrolling down here, it looks like they have the details. So they have the share price. Now they have the company's value, and then the ticker symbol, which is KO. So as we continue to go back, let's buy a share of Disney. So we're gonna click on Disney. We're gonna click, make sure we're following it. Now we're gonna go look at it, and looking at it, it is almost in a downward trend here, but that's fine because we're only gonna buy a couple of dollars worth it. And now we're gonna scroll down here. So the share price is $146.91. But since we can't afford to buy all of it, if that's say you guys can't, we're gonna click buy here. We're gonna click $1, click next. Now as we click next, it's going to load up. Now we can schedule it, and then I believe we should be good to go. It's going to load up. Your $1 Disney order will be placed at 9:30 because it's 9:13 right now and the market's not open. So it makes it super simple to actually buy stock. So now I own $1 in Disney and there's no commissions, no fees. Now there is one fee. If you guys are transferring money from a credit card, there is a 3% fee for it. Now if I were in your shoes, I wouldn't obviously do that, just because if that's, say you are buying stock, you're instantly down 3%. You're gonna have to get a 6% win just to break even on it. And I just think that's stupid, and I would just keep it simple. Overall, withdrawing from a credit card obviously isn't the best thing, because on top of the 3%, you have to pay interest on that credit card. So it's just not a good idea to take out money from your credit card. So let's continue to move down here. So another thing that they have is the most traded monthly. So it looks like we have Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Tesla, Roku, Facebook, and a variety of others. So we're gonna buy a share, we're gonna buy a partial share, I should say. Let's go with Amazon. So let's click on it. We can click follow to add it to our watch list. Now we can scroll down to look at the share price and the company's value. So it's $857.48 billion. The share price is roughly $1,700. So when I buy $1 of this company, it's gonna be 0.001%. So let's buy $1. We're gonna click next. And now obviously it's gonna be scheduled for 9:30. Now this is gonna make it super convenient to actually buy these shares. I think Cash App's doing something, honestly, that all these others money transferring services should do. They're making it simple to invest your money. Now there is a ton of investing platforms out there, but none that you can send money to each other. Now if let's say someone sends you, $10 or $12, you can take that money and invest it into a couple of stocks, and then over time, if you just keep doing it, that money is going to start growing and you're going to start getting dividends and everything like that when it comes with invest. So overall, I would give this honestly like a 4.5 out of 5. I obviously think they should have a little more information about the companies here, because as we look at it, I wish the details had maybe like volume and stuff like that, just so people realize how many people are buying that stock with them, because you always kind of want to buy with others, because that will kind of push that share price up a little bit, and so you buy it and you're instantly down money. If you buy it, then you are owning shares of a company, and then you have to sell it to somebody, and if there's no volume, you can't really sell it, so it makes it super confusing. But overall, these blue chip stocks are going to be great for overall investing, and I think other brokers and other companies should start doing these partial shares, just because it's going to make it a lot easier for beginners and younger and people with less money to invest in the stock market. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and if you did, drop subscribe down below. Drop it. Don't forget about the Xbox One giveaway. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive. Take care. Peace out. Bam!